Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This short video is about AND OR logic gates, and primarily I'm making this video to solve this question sent by a student from Bangladesh. But before we do that, we'll solve these two, question number 18 and 19 from Mr. Bolster's book. The first question 18, and we have to find the output voltage VO. The first thing we do is we number the diodes, D1, D2, and then we'll follow this logic. The diode conducts when the positive terminal becomes positive. So if the positive terminal becomes positive, it will conduct, or when the negative terminal becomes negative, then it will conduct. Now, if we look here, the negative terminal of diode D1 is more negative than that of D2. Therefore, with this logic, D1 should conduct and D2 will not conduct, not at least at the same time. So the negative terminal of D1 diode is more negative than that of D2. Hence, it can be assumed that D1 will conduct. So we'll now draw an equivalent circuit. So for -2, I prefer to use a battery, -5. So we use a battery of -5. Silicon diode can be replaced by 0.7, and then remaining circuit remains like this. D2 is off. And now we'll write KVL from here to find V0. So we go from here +5, then negative 0.7, and positive V0 equals 0. And from here we can find V0 to be -4.3 volt. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, the next question is exactly same except that the direction of diodes have been changed. So we'll follow exactly same logic. We mark the diode, and now you see which one is more positive. Now between this, this positive terminal has -5 and this positive terminal has 0. Therefore, this is more positive than -5. So the positive terminal of D2 diode is more positive than that of D1. Hence, it can be assumed that D2 will conduct. So we'll draw the equivalent circuit again, cross this. 0 is connected to ground, then this one 0.7, and V0, this we just copy as it is, and we write KVL for this loop. So 0 plus 0.7 plus V0 equals 0, and therefore V0 is equal to -0.7 volt. And now we come to the assignment question. We follow exactly same logic. Here the diodes are ideal diodes, and these are 5 choices given for the V output. Same logic we will follow. Now, which positive terminal is more positive? You can see this is -2, this is both are negative. But which one is closer to positive? Let's say that way. We can draw a number line, and you can see that -2 is more closer to the positive than -3. That means we can say that the positive terminal of D1 diode is more positive than that of D2. Hence, it can be assumed that D1 will conduct. So it is closer to, or -2 is closer to positive, therefore we can say that D1 will conduct. And here also we'll draw the equivalent circuit with the battery. 2, this being ideal diode, we'll just short circuit or show it by a straight line, and then V out, and this we just copy. KVL in this loop, positive 2 plus 0 plus V naught, and therefore V naught is negative 2 volt. So this is the answer. So C choice is the correct answer. I hope you have been able to follow this. Please let me know through your feedback. Thank you.